Hello tech lovers. If you prefer your device to be silent while booting, you can turn off the Windows 11 startup sound. These features were disabled by default on Windows 10 to make OS suitable for people working in private. However, the startup sound can disturb the places like a meeting hall, conferences, seminars, or some other places. Therefore, if you are a Windows 10 lover and would like a new Windows 11 to be silent like it, then this is the tutorial about to turn off and on the startup sound on Windows 11. Let's get started. To get started, just right click on the Start menu and select Settings. You can also use the Windows plus I key to open the same. Then select Personalization on the left, Theme on the right panel of the page. Then click on the Sounds option. As you see, a little pop-up of sound appears, and on the Sounds tab, uncheck the checkbox next to the Play Windows Startup Sound option. This should disable the startup sound. Then to get it enabled, check the checkbox next to the Play Windows Startup Sound and then click on Apply and OK button to save the changes you have made. This way you can enable and disable the startup sound on your Windows 11 operating system. I'll make another video on how to change sounds on Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video, I highly encourage you to comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification.